Hey YouTube, what's going on today? Vegasstacker stopping here to do a video for you. Do a little sit down Sunday silver gold. I'm throwing gold in there now because I'm looking at picking up some gold here in the near future. I'm going to go over and show you what I'm looking at here shortly. But we're going to start off with the gold price. For the day, for Friday, it finished off at $2,326.70. That was down $15.90, 0.68% for the day. Pretty much everything was in red on Friday. That was due to all the news that came out. For the week, it was another down week for gold. Previous week, it was down 3.34%, $80.71. Last week, it finished down $6.80, 0.29%. But we're going to switch over to the month here. And as you see, that's 4 months in the green. So it's up 1.79% for the month of May. That's $40.99. Not bad. It's in an increase, so we'll see where it keeps going from here. We're going to switch over to silver. Silver finished off Friday at $30.39 an ounce. That was down 73 cents. That's down 2.33%. That finished 3 days in the red. Weekly, we switch over to the weekly. It finished barely up for the week, 0.14%, 4 cents up for the week. Switching over to the monthly. Unlike gold, it's 1, 2, 3 months in the green, but there's a lot more increase. It was up 15.65% for the month of May. That's $4.11. That's pretty big. So what we're looking at, we're gonna go to Kitco News, if I remember where I had it. Here we go. There's this article, ECB BOC rate cuts, U.S. non-farm payrolls could spark next leg up for precious metals. I'm not going to bore you with all the details in this, but I did want to go down and it talks about what's up in store for the week ahead. Week ahead returns to a normal rhythm of economic news releases with several major highlights that have the potential to propel metals prices higher. On Monday, markets will receive the S&P Global Manufacturing PMI and the ISM Manufacturing PMI for May. Then on Wednesday, you're looking at the Bank of Canada will announce its interest rate decision, with economists predicting a quarter point cut, and shortly afterward, markets will receive the ISM Services PMI for May. Thursday morning brings the ECB interest rate decision, with markets priced in for a 25 basis point cut to the benchmark interest rate, along with weekly jobless claims. Then you get to Friday. Friday brings the release of May's non-farm payrolls report. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what the week ahead brings. It also says, should both central banks deliver the expected rate cuts, and should the May employment report disappoint to the downside, markets may quickly recalculate the timing and the scale of the Federal Reserve's easing rate path. But I think that they're still on path to not mess with the rates till September or November. But we'll see. Until then, it's just a hold and wait. So, moving ahead, I wanted to run this by you guys. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you buying gold? Are you buying silver? Or are you just holding and waiting for a bigger dip? Me, I'm going on a little excursion next week, so I'm going to check out another couple coin shops, and I'm going to throw some reviews on here probably about them. But I'm looking at gold. I'm looking at a quarter ounce, to be more specific. And I was checking out I'm a big fan of the Perth Mint, and they have the lunar year of the dragon. I started stacking in 2024, so I thought it'd be cool to get a gold piece for the year I started stacking rather than a random year. And I really like this piece. The Eagles are cool, but I don't like the fact that they're not 24 karat gold. I figure if I'm going to get gold, I might as well get the gold. So I was looking at this one. This one's sitting at 648 on bold precious metals, or it's sitting at 642 on SD bullion, which I've used a lot. I'm not sponsored by either one, so I'm not even going to get into that. But I'm debating still about if I should do gold or if I should do silver. I'm going to go over 23, 26, 70. I'm going to go over the GSR again here. 23, 26, This computer sucks. Sorry guys, 2326.7. And we're going to divide that. Let's go up here to the silver. We're going to get the GSR and see 30.39. So the GSR is back up to 76.56 to 1. So essentially I wouldn't mind picking up more silver, but my thinking behind picking up gold right now is that I hit a certain psychological goal with my silver. So I'm thinking once I hit that goal, every time I hit that many ounces, then I will pick up gold. So then it will keep my gold to silver ratio at a certain extent too. I'm sort of also leaning towards gold because a couple weeks back I called a couple of coin shops in the area, and 2 out of 4 said they didn't want to buy any silver because they were overloaded. So if it was a SHTF scenario, and I needed to unload silver for some reason, it would limit my places on where I could go to get rid of my silver. But I don't think that will be so much of a problem with gold. A lot of the shops around here that I noticed, they haven't had gold, or not as much gold, so they would be more inclined to buy the gold. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think, and we'll see what content I have for you next week. Appreciate you guys sticking around. I set up a webcam, but it was too laggy, so in the future I will show my face. You guys will see who I am as soon as I get this webcam stuff figured out. So appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. Until next time, I'll catch you on the flip side.